In a journey to unlock the mysteries of love, the 5 love languages, The Secret to Love That Lasts, by Gary Chapman offers a transformative perspective. Chapman explores how understanding and speaking your partner's love language can deepen and sustain love in relationships. Chapman identifies 5 love languages: words of affirmation, expressing love through spoken affection, praise, or appreciation; quality time, giving undivided attention; receiving gifts, symbols of love; acts of service, doing something for your partner; and physical touch, expressing affection through physical contact. Understanding these languages is key to expressing and receiving love effectively. First, words of affirmation. This love language thrives on verbal expressions of love and affection. Compliments, words of encouragement, and verbal gestures of love hold great value. For individuals who resonate with this language, hearing "I love you" and other affirmations is essential for emotional fulfillment. Next is quality time. For those who speak this language, undivided attention is paramount. It's about spending meaningful moments together, listening and engaging fully. Whether it's a walk, a heartfelt conversation, or a shared hobby, it's the quality, not the quantity, that counts. The love language of receiving gifts isn't about materialism. It's about the thoughtfulness and effort behind the gift. A simple, meaningful gift can speak volumes to someone who cherishes this language, symbolizing love and appreciation in a tangible form. Acts of service are gestures of love through helpful deeds. Whether it's preparing a meal, fixing something, or running an errand, these actions are powerful expressions of love for those who prefer this language. It's about easing the burdens of your loved one. Lastly, physical touch. This language isn't solely about intimacy. It's about the comfort, security, and closeness conveyed through physical contact. A hug, a gentle touch, holding hands. These are vital expressions of love for individuals who value this language. In summary, understanding and speaking your partner's love language can profoundly transform relationships. Key takeaway. 1. Discover and express love in your partner's language. Key takeaway 2. Recognize and appreciate the diverse ways love can be communicated and received. The 5 love languages is more than a guide. It's a pathway to deeper connections and lasting relationships. By embracing these languages, we can all learn to express and receive love more effectively, enriching our lives and the lives of those around us.